Hi and welcome. I'm at Jono's Insane Bonus Bundle and I'm doing a review on Lifesites. And my name is Tony. Futuristic AI technology creates automated, high-converting websites in just 30 seconds that you can sell for the top dollar in the hottest niches. So what is Lifesites all about? Well, it's the world's most powerful sales booster, courtesy of AI powered instant website creation. Lifesites is packed with, and you can read that yourself, prices of ups and upsells. Front end Lifesites $14. Access the powerful Lifesites software and training modules. And we've got upsell 1 unlimited, upsell 2 elite, upsell 1 unlimited $47, upsell 2 elite $47, upsell 3 unlimited local edition $47, upsell 4 Lifesites agency $197, upsell 6 Lifesites 1K Academy $197. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. The ultimate digital empowerment tool for local businesses. 3-click quality and attractive websites creation. Drag and drop editor. Lightning speed loading, limitless hosting, SEO optimized websites. Use your own domain, build in WordPress installer, newbie approved and loved by experts, premium support and customer care, 100% secure and effortless, unlike any other software in the market. All this is covered by a no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. Watch the demo video of Lifesites below. Okay, so I'll run through that. Yes, let's go. So we log in first. We create a new site. Select the template. Have 146 templates. You can read the captions to see what you're going to get with these templates. You've chosen a template. Now we can edit all the photos, headings, header text, H1 and H2 tags. And plus the photos, add new photos, change the background color, and here's an example of the sites that have been created. Here it is again. Now we're going to change the you can see right here. See? Tells you in the caption. Now what's going to happen here is the photos will be changed. Headline changed. I'm going to do image library. Pick an image. There we go. New image has been installed. Now we do the header, H1 and H2 tags. H2 tag being edited right now. Now it's the background colour being changed, any colour you like. Now we're going to add a custom domain, which you purchase from a domain provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Enter the name, custom domain that you've purchased. And it's asking if you're sure that's the domain you want. Yeah, okay. And that was a review, demonstration walkthrough of Lifesites and how the custom or the site is made in the AI cloud-based platform. Okay, so to get Lifesites now and get all the bonuses below. Right, bonus number 1, value for $27.95. And you will get access to high ticket mastery. Now this is going to teach you how to what products you can where you can find high ticket products, what high ticket products you should select, and how you can sell those on your website. So yeah, see, so bonus number 2, $46.95, which is accelerate your traffic with Bing. So yeah, so it teaches you how to use a Bing account. Bonus number 3, value $344.95. YouTube super traffic hack, using YouTube to get traffic to your website. You know, that's another good one. Bonus number 4, $267. Reach people's inboxes using stealth. So this is about email. And teaching you how you can do that and do it without being tagged as spam and all stuff like that. So that's another one. Bonus number 5, a special bonus for take action today and access all the vendor bonuses. Click the button below now to claim your free and insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. Yes. Click, and what you click any one of these red buttons, you will get you'll be taken to the sales page where you can secure your copy of Lifesites, and you'll get the bonuses. They will be in your Warrior Plus account. Under the access your purchase button will be the access your bonuses, affiliate bonuses. Okay, that's it. So yeah. So we'll go to the next part of this now, which is the sales page. So let me just correct my just want to bear with me for the moment. Well, I get this. No, I can't do it. Okay, it's not going to play ball, so I have to do it the manual way. So sorry about this, but that's just the way it is. When you want things to go right, you can guarantee it's going to go wrong, and that's how it is. I'm sorry about this, but I just got to get back to the top of the page again. which I should have done this beforehand. This is my fault. Sorry. So here we are at the top of the page. Now 3-second and all it takes you need to create a stunning website, right? So futuristic AI technology creates automated high-quality converting websites in 30 seconds that you can sell for the top dollar in the hottest niches. Skip the hassles to directly dominate trending niches like fitness, dating, pets, self-improvement, technology, affiliate marketing, finance, and countless others instantly. And there is your video on Lifesites. I'll let you watch that in your own time. And in fact, I think I should let you actually. You can see you can get instant access. It's $14, as I stated in the. See, there you go. You're in luck. Lifesites can be yours at $14 during our welcome offer. See, so yeah, so $14 you can sort of go through this. 3 steps that you will skyrocket your profits. Step 1, grab Lifesites at an unbelievable today simple login from any browser. Step 2, fill in some quick details like business name, color, theme, color scheme, and contact details. Step 3, voila, your website is ready to be published and sold and on top platforms instantly and effortlessly. Struggling to find your online identity, locked down from making profits? Oh, change is the name of the game. Yes, and everyone else needs websites. But change isn't easy as it sounds. I bet you're suffered at the hands of some of these issues. If not, yeah, well, yes, it's a poor thing that happens to most people, most people think that they can come in here, come onto the web, and it's going to be really easy and simple, But hang on a minute. Well, didn't you have to qualify to get your job? And how long did it take you? Did you go to university for that? Choose, but, so what does he say? Choose faith over fear. See, it's a super compelling belief over fear, Welcome happiness. You can skip all the drama and jump to. I mean, it's I'll leave you to go look through this, because basically, it's you got testimonials, you got proof of income, you've got all sorts of things here, who it's for, what you can do with it, what results you can get, all the things are here with this particular program. See. So you just go through it for yourself. I'm scrolling it down so then you can do this yourself. There may be some vendor bonuses here. There may be some, and that's what I'm really looking for here, is the vendor bonuses, right? So, but hang on a minute here. 30 seconds to build a website, yeah, and some more testimonials. More examples. It's all here. All the examples you can think of. What you need to do is going to grab it, hold it. Who it's for again, what it's for. Just $14, not $197, just $14 one time. Loaded with value. That's all you get. There it is there. Start doing. No risk, disappointment, surest way to happiness. And there's the vendors and the frequently asked questions, and that's the end of that, the sales page. So I'll let you go through that. I went through it quickly, but there it is. It's got all the things that you can go through that on your own. And now we'll go to the members area, right? and here it is here, the members area, where you can make your site. Right here is your account. You got your, hey, you know, there you go. There's your account. And over this side, you've got your dashboard. You can create a new done for you site. All sites. See, create a done for you site. There it is. You just create a new site. All sites. There's all sites. And then walkthrough videos, which is walkthrough videos here. So it's on 2 places in this membership area where you can get to these things. Edit site content. You know, media, which is photos and stuff like that. You know, white label, which is exclusive rights, an account, and then collapse menu. Okay, so you know, you got to create a new site, and this is what I'll show you. What happens here? You go, there we are. When we hit create new site, this is what happens. You come to the templates area, and you've got all these templates, 146 templates to choose from. And you scroll down, and you can choose whatever template you want. Within this page, there's 146 templates for you to start off to build your website. And you know, and then after you've done that, then you go to the next page where your sites, you've got your JV sites, you've got your new brand store, new stand store 2, helped you build inner, and you know, you've got all these websites. You see, you've got demos, and you know, there's all this sort of stuff here, all in this next page. And here is your primary site. You can put your primary site in there, right? Okay, so we go to the next page here, and there you go. There's the example of a site from one of the pages, right? Here we are. See, you know, pretty impressive stuff. Yeah, you know, all the photos and everything like that in place. Yeah, see, yeah. And the nutrition and all. You know, see what I mean? It's got plenty of stuff here, you know. And you can edit everything. And make it more attractive and better looking. It'll make it suit your style. You see. And then what's next after that? Well, like I said, in order for you to learn to get to this position, you need training. So here we have the training videos, right here. So we've got all the training videos, 6 training videos that'll help you to learn what you need to learn and how to use the software and to get through all this here. So, you know, yeah, and to learn how to create your websites quickly and easily. Okay, so that's how that is. Now we'll go back to the Jono's bonus page, and I'll go through that again, right? So we've got bonus number 1, which is access to high ticket mastery. Bonus number 2, accelerate your traffic with Bing. Bonus number 3, YouTube super traffic hack. Bonus number 4, reach people's inboxes using stealth. Bonus number 5, special bonus for taking action today and access all the vendor bonuses. And that's exactly right. You click here to secure your copy of Lifesites and your bonuses. Yes, that's right. And you click that's what you do. You click this button, this red button, you know, and you do it before the clock runs out, and it'll be on your web. When you do, it'll be in your Warrior Plus account, and you can access your purchase, and below that you can access your bonuses. Okay, and thank you for going through this video with me. Okay, you will find that the link to the Lifesites in the description of this video. You click on that link, and it'll bring you to this page here, to the bonus page, where you can click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Okay, so thank you for stopping by and staying with me through this review, and I shall see you on the next one. Thank you and bye. Goodbye.